Okay, now in this subject, what we're going to do is we are going to add this particular domain to Hostgator. So I'll just refresh this screen. Okay, and what I did is I simply like these were the name servers that I got from my Hostgator. So you know how to get these name servers. So you can simply go to your hosting here, okay, in your Hostgator, and you can simply select any of the domains here and just copy these particular name servers. This is the primary name server and this is the secondary name server. So you need to copy these name servers and simply click change and add those name servers. I've already added these here, right? So I've already added these here. I'll use my own custom name server. So I've already copied this, right? And click save. And then what you have to do is after you click save, you simply go to Hostgator, scroll down, and so in this subject we're talking about adding your Godaddy to Hostgator. Okay, so then you go down and let's say if I click right domain, so let's see domains, there you go, add on domains, click here, and then I'm going to basically copy this particular domain that I added here, copy this, then go to Hostgator and new domain. I'm going to copy this domain. As soon as I click out, it will say subdomain is this, document root is this, create an FTP account associated with this. I don't need the FTP. I'll click add domain and this will get added to my Hostgator. Okay, this domain has been added to my Hostgator. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the zone editor. Okay, now this is how we add the domain. Now this domain has finally been added to Hostgator, and Godaddy, you purchased the domain from Godaddy and you wanted to connect it with the Hostgator, and this is how it gets connected. Okay,